going crazy. You're a baby, you're a baby. Got it by the grip of your hand. I can feel it holding my world. For my life now. Don't like it now.
Daddy, 1-1. Oh my God! Ito kontra na ng scores. Ito, dito na.
Ito lang dyan. Pinto-pinto.
Crop top lang naman yun, di ba? Giniginaw na ba kayo? Giniginaw na kayo? Oh, ba't ginawin kayo ngayon? Ano? Last year naman eh, hindi. Bad trip.
tataraan ko na lang ng ganun.
Mamay ko ba?
Oh. May naka-charger na ako. Pwede ba?
Dito ko ilalagay. Dito na.
Diliitan ko.
Number, pangalan.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Alin? First five nyo? First five.
07.
Sino? Ako. Si Polo. Tapos 8. 22. Boyfriend?
Kasi ano, ganito.
Sino? Sino ba?
23, 19.
Pasok ko na.
Sa kabila ay 3, 30.
Ano alam mo sa akin kaya Facebook yung mo?
Anong iyang mamo? Anong oras ka bumangon? Nasaan pa daw sa jogging eh. Alas 11 na tulog pa.
Baka akalay alas 11 ng gabi eh. Baka hindi mo nilinaw.
Yung Remo, konti lang naman yung ano.
3:30.
24. 32 yung
Nakalimutan na yan. Ay, ayaw agad gumana ng eyeballs.
Teka lang, time out. Hindi mo magana. Rep, teka lang, Rep. Rep, Committee, time out.
Dok, ayaw.
Committee, time out.
Technical timeout. Gininaw.
mas malalaya sa mga.
Gininaw. Pagod na agad, anak.
Pagod na si Polo.
Ba, eh, kakakain lang eh.
Ayaw nang ranaga ng 14 eh. Tsaka
Start.
ayaw.
Baka nakaship. Baser mo muna.
Yan sinasabi ko, kaya ayaw kong hawakan ko.
Naku, baka yari ka, ikaw pa masisisi, nasira.
Ay, may ebidensya naman ha. Baka makakuha sa ano.
Baka makukuha sa ihip.
Kailangan lang ako yan.
Masarap daw pag nilalawayan eh.
Baser.
Nagana eh.
Yung oras sa'yo gumana. Ayaw mag-run. Patay.
Iba eh, parang putol. Mo, pindutin mo. Walang ano. Sobrang lubay, hindi ka tulad ng ito.
Oo nga. Parang may zero to.
Parang
Ito ba yung dad?
Oo.
Ay, nalag mo.
Paano? Magkano na lang?
Cellphone.
Cellphone na lang.
Cellphone na lang ang timer.
Cellphone
Di
na lang.
ano na lang doon.
Ano yung buzzer nun?
Ha?
Ay, ito, may buzzer pa.
Sino naghanap?
Score.
Sino naghanap?
Ay, score gumagana. Yung run lang talaga.
Galingan niya muna ka mo. Papaksiw na agad. Galingan mo muna, Loy. Kakain ka na kagad.
meron sa loob. Sobrang
May
lubay.
sira ka, oh.
Hindi ka tulad ng
Hindi, di ano na lang doon.
Pero gumagana ang score.
Yun nga, score na nga lang doon. Di ang oras ikaw na ano. Sasabihin,
Ikaw na mag-oras, ako na lang mag-score. Ako susunod dito.
Ako na lang.
wait, sino maglalaro?
Bukas si Bebe.
Sige, ako nung kaya. Kaya mo yan, man.
Oh,
Sige, ako na lang din mag-score pagkatara ko. Sige na, game na.
oh, Arya.
Game na yan.
Fire.
Wala, sino yung number 20?
I-announce mo na lang lagi ang ano.
Ang oras.
Bola ay. Kanino nga ang bola?
Patayin ko na yun.
Hindi, yung ano dun eh, score.
Tayo nga pala.
Naganit.
Yan, tama.
Natakbo ba?
Run nga lang talaga, parang puti.
Sige. Okay. Chori.
Blue. First number 8, Ramos, no good. Rebound.
Mga pilitin.
Sino? Chavez. Gutierrez.
Gutierrez, pass to Chavez, back to Gutierrez. Shot clock 15 seconds, pass to Remo, long two. Ruffling, violation.
Ano mo nga?
Pare po parang putol lang run. Pindutin niyo po yung iba, nagana naman. Oo, sa run lang po yung ayaw.
15 to shoot, Arguna no good, rebound.
Lahat nagana, sir.
Apo, run lang po niya. Hindi, run ko lang.
Brazil, pass to Manalese. Good for 2 points. All 2. 9 minutes exactly. Pass to Chavez. Long 3, no good. Nakakuha ni Remo. Back to Chavez. Shot clock 14. Pass to Arguna. Good for 2 points. 4-2 in favor of Esteem. Shot clock 15 seconds. Ruffling violation. 8 minutes and 29 seconds.
Hindi, nakikita.
Dito ka na nakana.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Steal by Katangay. Pass to Brazil. To jersey number 7, Manalese. And there's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 32. Remo, that is your first personal foul. Official score 4-2 in favor of Esteem.
May ebidensya naman na
Sorry.
Last throw, 2-4-2. All 4. All 4. Gutierrez, pass to Remo. To Dawis. Back to Remo, shot clock 15 seconds. Inilabas ni Gutierrez. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 8 seconds. Dawis, 2 points.
Bukanin mo na nga kay Bebo. Buka ng buzzer.
Kaya Bebok.
Jersey number 8, Ramos, fakes. Turnaround shot. Good for 2 points, all 6. Time remaining is 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Gutierrez pass to Arguna to Chavez. 14 to shoot. No good, rebound, Manalese. Pass to jersey number 0, Brazil. Easy 2 points. 8-6 in favor of
Dayo.
Dayo. Shot clock 15 seconds. Chavez no good. Rebound. Ramos. 7 minutes exactly. Pass to Brazil. No good. Shot clock 14. Katangay naman. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ulit ni Brazil. And 1 para kay Brazil. And foul, jersey number 32, Remo. That is your second personal foul. Official score 10-6 in favor of.
Sub daw, sub.
Sub.
Nadudun eh. Lumabas eh. Ayun o. Pinakalikot. Yung nag-o-opera.
Bonus throw para kay Brazil. No good. Nakakuha ni Katanay. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Brazil, good for 2 points. 12-6 in favor of red team. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Gutierrez, libre. Sablay nga lamang. Red ball. 12-6. 12-6. Lamang ang nakapula. Pass to jersey number 8. Ramos, 1-2. Pasok. 14-6.
May nag-iisip sa'yo.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Pass to Arguna. No good. Rebound. Nakakuha ni Ramos. Pass to Casares. Pass break. Kabot na kay Manalesa. Lays it up. Good for 2 points. 16-6.
Jay, time out ka na, White. Hindi ko nalagyan dito.
All jersey number 23. Left up nakashoot daw ang red.
Sinong foul siya?
Good ball. Pag nakashoot ang red, saka tatay mo. Sabi ni coach.
Sinong foul niya? Pag nakashoot daw. Si Asares.
Jersey number 23, Dawis. No good. Rebound, nakakuha ni Hello. Katangay, pass to Brazil. Brazil, dire-diretso, inilabas kay Manalese. Fires for 3. Manalese, 3 points.
Time out, White.
Timeout, White. Official score 19-6. 19-6. Lamang ang red.
Para masarap yung paksi. Masarap yung paksi.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds. 5-5. Official score 19-6 in favor of red. There's number 3 Gutierrez. Pass to Dawis. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Shoot
There's
oh.
number 34. Rest down. No good. Save ball. Shot clock 14.
Operado na po, Doc. Kumusta po siya, Doc?
14 seconds to shoot.
May pag-asa pa po ba siya, Doc?
Shot clock 10 seconds. Pass
Shoot
to Restar. Shot clock at 5.
Uy,
Chavez
nakas-
no good. And there's a whistle. Foul. Jersey number 30. Arguna, that is your first personal foul.
Ayun oh, ang galing naman ni Doc.
Third team foul.
Okay na,
Time
gumagana na.
remaining 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
Sinira mo kay Bebok eh.
Shot clock 10. Still by Gutierrez. Pass to jersey number 30, Arguna. Sa playing alaman, rebound, nakakuha ni Ramos.
Ano ba yan, Kim? Makatibay.
Brazil, pass to Katangay. 2 points.
Nice.
Official score 21-6 in favor of red team. 21-6. Time remaining 4 minutes and 8 seconds.
Totoo ba?
4 minutes exactly. Shot clock 14. Pastor Ramos, shot clock 10 seconds. Brazil bumukol sa napakalayo. No good. Rebound na ni Dawis. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Gutierrez, 2 points. 21-8 in favor of Red.
21-8.
21-8. Lamang ang pula. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds.
Uy, yun o.
Matalese, 2 points.
Lupit. Nice move. Hindi ka naman.
3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Parang araw-araw magpapaksiw yata ang batang ito. Shot!
Chavez, dara-daracho, good for 2 points.
Thank you.
23-10. Time remaining, exactly 3 minutes.
Hey!
Still
Lampas.
then, Ikatangay.
Sorry.
Katangay, dara-daracho. No good, but there's a whistle. Foul jersey number 34. Time out. Red team. Time remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Official score 23-10 in favor of Red.
Nakauwi ko na, kalawin pa. Ingat ka pala. Kinakasi ng ilong ko ba?
Gano'n na. Na-operahan mo. Oo nga. Inaayos lang ni Bebok, binubuo lang.
Inaayos lang po yung timer. Nagana na.
Binubuo lang.
Binubuo lamang.
Kinalansay.
Oh, nasisaryan eh.
First throw no good. Last throw.
34. Restart.
Already jumper daw.
Warning for penalty ang White. Last throw wala pa rin. Rebound na ako ni Pastrana.
Pastrana nga yun.
Pass to jersey number 3, Gutierrez. At lumating si Bebok. Si Bebok. Mali pa. Jersey number 5.
Sino yun? Si Lopez.
Ito pong 5.
Si Cuevas. Yun
Time
si-
remaining 2 minutes and 31 seconds. 23-10 in favor of Red Team. Jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Pass to Restar. Sa 3. No good. Rebound na ako ni Gutierrez. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 8 seconds. Pass to Restar.
Ay!
No good.
Talaga.
Still by Restar. 2 points.
Nice. 2:03.
Time remaining exactly 2 minutes. 23-12. Good.
Nice. 3 points. Si ano,
26-12
Ramos.
in favor of Red. Foul jersey number 9. Substitution.
Ba, kagigising lang nito ah. Si Erwin.
Pag-shoot mo yung last.
Last throw.
Paeng, magka-crop top yan.
Last throw pasok. Substitution.
Natakot.
Game.
Oo.
Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Wala.
Pass to Lopez. Still
May laro.
by Lumay. Pass to jersey number 24, Chavez. Chavez,
Pasok.
dara-daracho. Nawala ang bola. Nakalikot ni Pastrana. Paso naman. Shot clock 15. And there's a whistle, foul, jersey number 1. That is your first personal foul, third team foul. Shot clock 14. Pass to Gutierrez atras. Wala pa rin. Same ball. Shot clock 14. Time remaining 1 minute and 14 seconds. 1-1-4. Still by Cortigera. Same ball. 1 minute and 7 seconds. 1:07.
Matatanggal na yan hanggang mamaya.
Still by Rastar. Pass break po kay Gutierrez. Easy to points.
Nice.
Time remaining 55 seconds. There's number 1, no good. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Chavez, wala pa rin.
Alat.
Time remaining 36 seconds. 36 segundos. Seconds. And there's a whistle, foul, jersey number 34. Rastar, that is your second personal foul. Time remaining 27 seconds.
Talaga naman. Sino man nakakaisip.
First throw is good. Last throw. $27 seconds remaining time. Last throw supply. Ako ni Lopez. Shot clock 10 seconds. Shot clock at 5. No good. Shot clock is off. 14 seconds. Last round,
Nice.
2 points. 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds.
Hindi ko abot, sorry.
Last 5 seconds.
Nasaan napunta?
Last 5 seconds.
Dito na.
3 seconds. End of the first quarter, official score 27-17 in favor of Red.
Nice, nice. Hello, ano ba ito?
May pinalitan mo. Gawin mo alangan yun. Second quarter.
Sige, ano yung
26. May 27. 17. Hindi, paran mo na lang muna mga magano. Gawin mong ano, zero yan. Na-zero mo din yung isa. Okay, yan. Next, punta dun sa awan. Yan.
Wala, hindi mo mapunta na ako lang. Dito bola, dito. Sa kabila.
27.
Hindi.
Ibumasyo.
Still by Lopez, 2 points. Remo, pass to Pastrana. Save ball. Shot clock 16. Shot clock 10 seconds, and there's your whistle. Foul jersey number 1. That is your second personal foul, first team foul.
Third personal. One? Third, oh. Third na. Ano? Ay, hindi pala. Dalawa ko sa score pala na kinabili ko.
Nice.
First throw is good. Last throw.
Nice.
2-4-2. Para kay Pastrana. Jersey number 0, Brazil. Pass to jersey number 5. Shot clock 15. Pass to Lopez. Back to Brazil. Shot clock 10 seconds. Ruffling violation. White ball. Jersey number 24, Chavez. Steal by Lopez. Pass break po tayo, jersey number 0, Brazil, to Ortigera. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul jersey number 32. That is your third personal foul. First team foul. First throw no good. Last throw. Last throw pasok.
Nahanap pa yung susi.
Hindi na.
Pass to jersey number 0 to Ortigera. And there's a whistle again. Foul, jersey number 14.
Sasales.
That is your first personal foul. 2 shots para kay Ortigera. First throw no good. Last throw. Last throw pasok. 31-19 in favor of red team. Pass to jersey number 6, Pastrana, steal. Pass to jersey number 0, Brazil. To Ortigera na naman. Sing ball. Now on Mendoza. Good for 2 points. Save ball. Pass to jersey number 7, Lubay. To Pastrana, pull-off jumper. No good. Rebound na ako ni Lubay. Enters a whistle. Foul, jersey number 77. That is your first personal foul. Second, team foul. Pass to jersey number 14, Rosales atrás. Rosales, 3 points. (33-22) in favor of red. Pass to Ortigera. To jersey number 77, Lopez, too good. And there's a whistle again, foul, jersey number 1. That is your third personal foul. Substitution.
Aga naman.
Chavez, get the bounce, 2 points. Pass to jersey number 77, Lopez to Cuevas. Back to Lopez. Shot clock 15. Ibinalik ulit kay Cuevas to Brazil. Shot clock 10 seconds. Ruffling violation. No good, but there's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 5. Substitution. Jersey number 5, first personal foul, warning for penalty, ang red team. First race good. Last throw.
Nice.
2-4-2 Baray Pastrana. 33-26 in favor of red. No good. Rebound. Chavez. Pass to jersey number 14, Rosales. Nagmamadali. Dara-diretso. 2
Nice.
points. Substitution. Jersey number 7.
7?
Jersey number 7. Warning for delaying the game.
Ayan, second quarter na tayo. Uy, nagkakamag-kamag eh.
Jersey number 8, Ramos. Pass to Katangay. Shot clock 10 seconds. Short. Rebound na ako ni Chavez. Chavez.
Shoot,
Stop
oh.
and pump sa atras. Chavez.
Sabi.
Rebounds. 33-31. In favor of red. Shot clock 15 seconds. Ibinigay kay Brazil to Cortiguera. Ganda ng pasahan. Binaw nga lamang. Same ball. Time out. Red team. Wala na pong time out ng red para sa first half.
Coach.
Back to the ball game. Toy, pakipatay ng flash. Toy, nagbibidyo yung flash papatay. Shot clock 10 seconds. Pass to Brazil. To Ramos.
Shoot.
Tumigada sa tres. No good. Rebound na ako ni Dawis. Pass to jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Gutierrez setting the play. Ibinigay kay Rosales. 15 to shoot. Still by Katangay. Pass to jersey number 7, Manalese. To Brazil. Long two. Pasok yan para kay Brazil. Foul, jersey number 6, Pastrana. That is your first personal foul. Third, team foul.
Shoot.
Manalese, no good. Rebound, Dawis. Pass to jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Gutierrez, back to Dawis, shot clock 15. Ibinigay kay Rosales, libre, sablay nga lamang, rebound. Ibinigay kay Brazil, alley-oop to Katangay. Good for 2 points. 37-31 in favor of red team. Jersey number 6, Pastrana, ibinigay kay Gutierrez. Back to Pastrana, shot clock 15 seconds. Pass to Dawis.
Shoot.
Good
Nice.
for 2 points. Pass to Brazil. 15 to shoot. Pass to Ramos.
Shoot. Nice.
No good. Rebound Nahoni. Pass to Rana. Pass to jersey number 3. Gutierrez.
Shoot oh.
To Dawis. Pull off jumper again. No good. And there's a whistle foul. Jersey number 6. Second personal foul. Both teams warning for penalty. Robbing violation. Back to Gutierrez, to Rosales.
Shoot oh.
Nakalibre na naman sa tres. Wala
Oy,
pa
wala
rin.
pa rin.
Rebound. Sares, pass to jersey number 0, Brazil. Derecho, and jersey whistle. Foul, jersey number 14. That is your second personal foul penalty na ang white team. First three is good. Last two.
Magsama-sama ko yung wala na. PC ah. Hindi, kaya ko yan iba.
Kaya ko yun iba.
One free throw again. Wala pa rin. Rebound na ako ni Pastrana. Pass to Gutierrez. To jersey
Shoot,
number 23, Dawis. Ibinigay kay Arguna. Speed ball. Bini-reverse.
Nice!
Pasok yan. Para kay Arguna.
Nasabi ko sa'yo.
Pass to Manalesa. Shot clock 14.
Shoot oh.
White ball. Official score 38-35 in favor of red team.
Ay, hindi ko na rin tanda. Anong iskutan niyo? 27-17 yun ah.
Pastrana. Out of bounds. Red ball. Charas on the ball, ibinigay kay Ramos. And there's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 23, penalty. Jersey number 23, Dawis, the first personal foul. First throw is good. Last throw. Two for two para kay Ramos. Pass to Dawis. Back to Gutierrez. Shot clock 15. Gandang pasa para kay Pastrana. Supply nga lamang. Nakuha naman ni Arguna on the foot back. 2 points. Jersey number 0, Brazil. Gusares, shot clock 15. Back to Brazil. Shot clock 10 seconds. Still, by Arguna is still dead. Ni Brazil. Pass. Below. 2 points. Pass Rosales to Arguna. Nabubo. Still by Sares.
Nabubo.
Sares. Pass to Pastrana. Good for 2 points. 42-39 in favor of red. Katangay, fast Brazil. Speed move, no good, but there's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 14. Subdivision, jersey number 14, Rosales, third personal foul.
Kakrap top to. Magkakrap top to.
Subdivision. First throw is good. Last throw. Two for two para kay Brazil. 44-39 in favor of red team. Jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Pass to Chavez. Sa tres.
Nice.
Chavez, 3 points.
Delight boys.
Pass to Manalese.
Shoot
Ball
out.
of jumper. No good. Rebound. Gutierrez.
Go, 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 go.
Derecho, ibinigay kay Dawis. And there's a whistle, foul, jersey number 19. That is your second personal foul, penalty. First throw is good. Last throw.
You know.
2 for 2 para kay Dawis. Deadlock all. 44. Jersey number 0, Brazil, setting the play. Pass to Ramos. Shot clock 15 seconds. Ramos ipinilit. Pasok yan para kay Ramos.
Shoot out.
Chavez, wrong three, no good. And there's a whistle, foul, jersey number 7, Manalese, penalty. That is your first personal foul.
Baka kaya ka
First throw is good.
nangangati ang ilong mo.
Last throw.
Iniisip mo.
Lawan ni Chavez, 15 to shoot. To Gutierrez.
Shoot
Shot
out.
na ka-10. Alley-oop pass
Nice.
ng Takay.
Nasabi ko.
Restar, 2 points. Change, favor, 47-46. Lamang na ang white team. Save ball. Pass to Manalese, to Brazil. 14 to shoot. Shot clock 10 seconds. Sares. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Dawis.
Go, 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 go.
Eto na si Dawis. Dira-diretso. Pass to Arguna.
Ay, lakas.
Save ball.
Shoot.
15 to shoot. Chavez, 2 points. 1 minute. Shot clock at 15.
Shoot.
Manalese, dira-diretso. Ganda
Nice,
pasa
nice
para kay
pass.
Brazil. 2 points. "45 seconds. Gutierrez susubok ulit. Wala pa rin. Rebound na ako ni Ramos. 40 seconds. Pass break. Pupunta kay Manalese. Good for 2
Nice.
points.
Go, 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 go.
30 seconds. Nakuha ni Arguna. Still by Asares. Pass to Manalese. To Katangay. Lays it up.
Nice.
2 points. Shot clock is off. 18 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. Pass to Dawis. Last 5. Gutierrez, 3 points.
All 52.
End of the first half, official score, all 52.
Tubig kayo. Ay, putok, may tubig. Wala kayo doon. May mga baso doon. May mga baso. Yan ay pang everybody. Ah.
Reply ka na, dito na.
Puro. Oh, purong tubig.
Asan si Kuya Ime?
Ah, nag-iingat lang.
Back to the ball game, a white ball.
Didi. Giti. Gu.
Jersey number
Soto.
3, Gutierrez, bumitaw agad, sablay. Rebound na ako ni Cortiguera, pass to Cortiguera. What a move, sablay nga lang din. Cortiguera, 2 points. Pass to jersey number 24, Chavez naman, 3 points.
Daming fans nun. May bit-bit eh, no?
Sama din Joe.
Ah, kasama.
Ito kayo.
15 to shoot.
Nice!
Cortiguera, 3 points.
Nice.
Ano? Kevin.
Chavez, pass to Arguna, good for 2 points. All 57. Pass to jersey number 77, Lopez to Mendoza. Susubok din sa tres, no good. Rebound, Chavez. Pass break, papunta kay Restar. At hinagis na, papagayon. Pass to Mendoza, 2 points. To jersey number 23, Dawis. Wala din. Rebound, Lopez. Pass break, papunta kay Cortiguera. Easy 2 points. Gutierrez to Chavez na naman sa 3, supply. Restart of the putback, 2 points. Jersey number 13, Cortiguera, pass to Mendoza. To jersey number 9,
Oo, pwede.
Cuevas, 2 points. Foul, jersey number 5.
5, Cuevas.
Jersey number 5, that is your second personal foul. Shot clock 15 seconds, pass to Dawis, nalibre sa 3. No good. Rebound na ako ni Mendoza. Pass to jersey number 13, Cortiguera to Cortiguera. 2 points. Gutierrez, no good, but there's a whistle, a foul, jersey number 13. That is your first personal foul. 2 shots para kay Gutierrez. First 3 is good. Last throw. Last throw supply, rebound, Lopez. Pass to Cuevas. To jersey number 1, Mendoza. Inilabas. Kay Cortiguera sa 3. Cortiguera, 3 points. (68-60) in favor of red team. Back to Gutierrez to restart. Ibinigay kay Chavez, shot up 14. Back to restart. No good. Rebound na ako naman ni Arguna. Sablay pa rin. Nakakuha na ulit ni Restar. Pasok na yan. Jersey number 13, Cortiguera to Lopez. 14 to shoot, steal by Dawis. Eto na si Dawis nagmamadali. Out of bounds. Red ball. Cortiguera putukan na naman. 3 points. 71-62 in favor of Tayo. There's number 3, pass to Dawis. To Arguna, out of bounds. Red ball. Jersey number 13, Cortiguera. Ibinigay sa isa pang Cortiguera. Shot clock 15. Pass to jersey number 1, Mendoza. Shot clock 10 seconds. 3 seconds. Violation. White ball.
Ano ba yung Kev?
Jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Pass to Dawis.
So
To jersey number 34, Restar. 3 points.
galing nun.
Pass break, papunta kay Cortiguera. Good for 2 points.
Galing din yun.
73-65, lamang pa rin ang Dayo. Gutierrez to Dawis, libre sa 3. Dawis, 3 points. Jersey number 13, Cortiguera. Pass to Lopez, susubok din sa 3. Sablay, nakakuha ni Cuevas, pass to Cortiguera, shot clock 10 seconds. Wala pa rin, rebound, restart, pass break, papunta kay Chavez. Lays it up.
Nice.
Basket is count para kay Chavez. And foul, jersey number 13. That is your second personal foul, third team foul.
Pagod na. Ang bilis.
Hindi sa buko umabol.
Bonus throw para kay Chavez. Pasok. (73-71) in favor of Dayo. Lopez, pass to Ortiguera. Ibinigay kay Cuevas, no good. Nakakuha ni Chavez. 3-on-1 situation. Chavez, stomp and pump sa tres, no good.
Shoot off.
Kapeg, papunta kay Gutierrez. Easy 2 points.
All.
Headlock all, 73.
Time out na, time out.
Pass to Mendoza, susubok din sa tres. Mendoza, 3 points. Gutierrez on the ball. Pass to Chavez. 2 points. Timeout, red team. Official score 76-75 in favor of red.
Wala na akong patok.
Uy, tuloy-tuloy. Nakayo ko.
Ano, ititigil na. Tigil na natin.
Hindi na kami? Hindi na. Okay na, tulog na.
Bakit ba?
Back to the ball game, red ball. Pass to jersey number 0, Brazil. Pass to Ortiguera. To jersey number 8, Ramos. To Cuevas. And there's a whistle, foul, jersey number
23.
23, Dawis. That is your second personal foul. First team foul. First throw is good. Last throw. Supply nakakuha ni Ramos on the move back. 2 points. 79-75 in favor of Dayo. Pass to jersey number 23. Dawis, no good. Rebound, Ramos. Pass to Brazil. Eto na si Brazil, dara-diretso, inilabas kay Ortiguera sa tres, sablay. Talo na, nakakuha ni Lubay. Pass to jersey number 23, Dawis. No good. Pass to jersey number 0, back to Cuevas. Block. Save ball. Subdivision. Dawis out, Pastrana in. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Shoot.
Pass to Ramos sa tres, no good. Rebound, nakakuha ni Cuevas.
Nice.
Napakasibag, 2 points.
Shoot naman tayo.
Pass to Pastrana. Wala. Nakakuha ni
Walang
Katangay.
tao dun.
Jersey number 0, Brazil, setting the play. Pass to Katangay, shot clock 15 seconds. Katangay pa rin, napitaan ng bola. Shot clock 10 seconds still by Lubay. Pass break, papunta kay Pastrana to Rosales. Good for 2 points. 81-77 in favor of Dayo. Pass to Ortiguera. 15 to shoot. No good, rebound, Chavez. Pass to Pastrana. To jersey number 6, Lubay, and there's a whistle. Foul, jersey number 19. That is your third personal foul, warning for penalty. Katangay, third personal foul. Shot clock 14, Gutierrez. Sa napaklayo, no good, rebound. Nakakuha ni Cuevas. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Cortiguera sa ilalim. Ibinali pa. No good. Nakakuha ni Lubay. Pass to Rosales. To jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Pass to Chavez sa 3. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha naman ni Huevas. Still by jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Gutierrez, the flash. Derecho.
Sayang.
Nakakuha naman ni Pastrana. Sablay pa rin. Pero mayroong foul. Foul, jersey number 0. Substitution, jersey number 0, Brazil. First personal foul. Penalty na ang Dayo.
Ano ganyan galing siya? Pastrana?
First throw is good. Last throw.
Oo, may tama eh. Ay, hindi ko lang alam. Hindi ko tumigil.
Ano yung si ano yun? Si... Ano yun? Ang tagalabak? Si Balute.
Oo, si Balute. Yung payat. Ang tangkad.
81-79 in favor of Dayo. Brazil, pass to Azares. Shot clock 15 seconds. Ibinigay kay Manalese. Pull off jumper. No good. Nakakuha naman ni Azares. Ibinalik kay Manalese.
Shoot. Oy.
Wala. Nakakuha ni Rosales. Pass to jersey number
Shoot.
32. Remo. Pass carries count. And foul, jersey number 23.
Si Asari.
Azares, second personal foul. Bonus throw para kay Remo. Pasok. Change, favor. 82-81 in favor of ST. Jersey number 0, Brazil. Setting the play. Shot clock 15 seconds. Inilabas kay Katangay sa 3. Katangay, 3 points. Pass to jersey number 32, Remo. To Rosales.
Shoot oh.
Sa 3, no good. Tapi ka, nakakuha ni jersey number 7, Manalese.
Shoot.
Pass to jersey number 0, Brazil. No good. 1 minute. Katangay on the putback. Wala pa rin. Nakakulit ni Brazil. Shot clock 12 seconds. Pass to Azares. Shot clock at 10. Foul, jersey number 23. Penalty.
Sares.
That is your third personal foul, Azares. First throw is good. Last throw.
Ay, sa. Shoot oh. Naku na ba?
Last pass apply. Rebound. Katangay. 50 seconds. Pass to jersey number 0, Brazil. Derecho. Good. 4 points. 86-83 in favor of Dayo. Time remaining 35 seconds. Chavez with a long 3, no good. Rebound, nakakuha ni Azares. 30 seconds. White ball. Time remaining 29 seconds. Remo Derecho nakalusot. 2 points. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. $15 seconds. Pass to Ramos. 10 seconds. 6.7 seconds. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter, official score 86-85 in favor of Dayo.
Papayat ka niya. Sayang naman ang inipon mo.
Madilim ang mundo.
After the ball game, start of the last and final quarter. Red Bull. Red Bull.
Ready, get set, go.
Back to jersey number 0, Brazil. To Azares. To jersey number 8, Ramos. Pumukol sa tres, no good. Nawari. Nino, ni Pastrana, ibinigay kay Remo. Remo derecho.
Nice.
Tumira ng pamagayon, no good. Nawari, Manalese. And there's a whistle foul. Jersey number 7, Manalese. That is your second personal foul.
Nanghahaway.
Hawi boy pala yun eh. Sino nagturo dun nun?
Remo, pass to jersey number 14, Rosales. Back to Remo.
Shoot!
Susubok sa tres. No good. Rebound, makukuha ni. Ni out of bounds. Red ball.
Red ball ulit, red ball. Hindi ako si Kim.
Jersey number 23, Azares. Setting the play. Steal by Pastrana.
Go!
Pass to
Go!
jersey number 7, Lubay.
Go, Loy!
Pass to Remo. Easy to
Nice.
change favor again. 87-86 in favor of SP. Pass to Manalese. Shot clock 14 seconds. Back to Brazil. Shot clock 10. Brazil teardrop shot.
Nice.
2 points. 88-87 in favor of Dayo. Remo inilabas kay Rosales. 15 to shoot.
Shoot eh!
Pass to Remo to Chavez. Shot clock 10 seconds. Nakakuha ni Pastrana. Shot clock 5 seconds. Traveling violation. Substitution.
Subdivision.
Katahimik.
Oo nga.
Shot clock 15
Salita ka nga.
seconds. Pass to Matangay. Raise it up. 2 points.
So quiet. Parang walang laro. 90-87.
Official score 90-87 in favor of Dayo.
Shoot oh!
Jersey number 24, Chavez, no good. Talo na Nahoni. Pastrana, pass to Lubay. 14 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Rebound, nakakuha ni Ramos. Pass to jersey number 7, Manalese. To Brazil, 15 to shoot. Pass to jersey number 8, Ramos, pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound, nakakuha ni Chavez. Pass break. Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Subdivision.
Subdivision.
Dadaan-daan nga pala matulog.
Odo, nakatres ka na ba?
Nasaan ang isang bola?
Bola daw.
Hindi pa, wala pa. Hindi pa nakakatres si ano.
Ba't may tres ka dito?
Hindi ka ikaw nagsusulat.
Quarter to mes ka ba nun? Oo nga, meron yun. Meron yun. Hindi nga, meron.
Aba, ikaw ang...
Ikaw ang nagsusulat. Bakit kami tatanungin mo?
Hindi nga, nakatres ka nga. Sige, isa.
Jersey number 0, Brazil, still by jersey number 32, Remo. Pass to Lumay.
Go, 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 go!
Eto na si Lumay, dara-diretso, pinali kay Remo. Itinabas naman kay Rosales sa atras.
Ay,
Lugod.
nako.
Wala nga pala.
Same bull.
Kay Erwin nga pala nakatres na Mendoza.
Pass to Remo. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Nakakuha ni Mendoza. Pass to jersey number 0, Brazil. To jersey number 9, Cortiguera. Back to Brazil. Good for 2 points.
Nice.
92-87 in favor of Dayo. Jersey number 24, Chavez lays it up, 2 points.
Naku po.
Same ball.
Oo nga, sarap nga kumain. Ng paksiw.
14 to shoot. Pass to Ramos.
Gutumin pa natin ang sarili natin.
10 to shoot. Ibinalik kay jersey number 8,
Shoot.
Ramos, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound, Bahugo ni.
Go, go, go,
Pass
go!
na. Pass to Remo.
Uy!
Same ball. Jersey number 84, Chavez. No good. Nakakuni. Brazil, pass break. Papunta kay Cortiguera. Easy, 2 points. 94-89 in favor of Dayo. Jersey number 6, Pastrana waiting for his teammate. Pass to Remo. To jersey number 24, Chavez address. Chavez, 3 points. (94-92) in favor of Dayo. Pass to Ramos, back to Brazil. 14 to shoot. Pass to Cortiguera. Shot clock 10 seconds. Mendoza pinaligi Brazil. Pass to Katangay. Katangay, reverse shot is good.
Ayaw ko. Bawal sumab.
15 to shoot. Chavez, step back 3. No good. Rebound. Ramos. Pass to jersey number 0, Brazil. Ito na naman si Brazil. Dara-diretso. Out of bounds. Subdivision.
Lamok. Time out daw.
Time out. Dayo.
Saan ba ilalagay dito? Sila, dalawa na rin ng kahit. Dalawa na rin. Tapos na baka nila.
Pag nagandar ko.
Dalawa na rin.
Back to the ball game. 96-92 in favor of Dayo. Jersey number 6, Pastrana, pass to Remo to Chavez. Block. Save ball. Shot clock 14, pass to Rosales. Block then, rebound, nakuha ni Brazil, pass to Mendoza. Steal by jersey number 32, Remo. Ito na si Remo derecho. No good, but there's a whistle and foul, jersey number 8. That is your first personal foul. Two shots para kay Remo. First throw is good. Last throw.
Gugutom din tuloy ako. Panghawa ka eh.
Nagkakagutom na.
Lalamig si
Bomba.
14 to shoot. Pass to Katangay. To Mendoza. No good. Mendoza ulit na nakakuha. Still by jersey number 6, Pastrana. Yanis Antetokounmpo. Ibinigay kay Arguna. He's been moved. No good.
Kasali ka po kayong dito sa liga?
Oh, may Steamworks kami pero hindi yan. Ano lang, Emmanuel lang.
Pass to Pastrana. Basket is count. And foul, jersey number 0. That is your second personal foul, third team foul.
Yan, si Ramos. Tsaka si Manalese.
Ah, sa inyo po si ano?
Si Asare. Wala ba na?
Bonus throw sa play. Rebound, makuha ni Katangay. to shoot. Pass to Ramos na libre sa tres. Ramos. 3 points. 99-95 in favor of Dayo. Steal by Mendoza. Pass break kapunta kay Cortiguera. Nasundutan. Timeout. SD.
May coach pala ako. Ano? May coach pala ako.
Otix, tig dalawang timeout.
Hindi ko nararamdaman si sir. Ay, nasa na yung patutog.
May sira, JP Sukan.
Hindi wala na nagtatanong kung anong score. Pahinga! Kala ko pagkain. Kala ko pagkain yung hawak mo. Pausok pala. Sorry. Pausok pala.
Ball game?
Ito ba?
Oh, Rede. Sabi mo na, Rede.
Pass to Mendoza. Still by jersey number 14, Rosales.
Ayun!
At lumampas ang pasa, Red Bull. Timeout. Red team. Pass to jersey number 8, Ramos na naman sa atrás, no good, rebound, Pastrana. Pass to jersey number 3, Gutierrez. To Chavez. Chavez sa ilalim, basket is count. And foul, jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, that is your third personal foul. Warning for penalty ang red team. Bonus throw para kay Chavez. Sablay, rebound, nakuha ni Katangay. Pass to Brazil. To jersey number 9, Cortiguera, libre. Sablay nga lamang, rebound, Chavez. Chavez on the ball, ibinigay kay Arguna. Out bounce. Red ball.
Dadalawa na lang.
Jersey number 0, Brazil. Ibinigay kay Ramos. Shot clock 14. Pass to Mendoza. No good. Shot clock 10 seconds. Jump ball. White ball.
Oh, it sweats.
Possession, red. Second possession, white. Third quarter, red.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
PJ!
2 points.
Jay!
Sino nag-shoot? Basta may nag-shoot. Kaya all na.
Jersey number 0, Brazil. Pass to jersey number 1, Mendoza. To Cortiguera, 14 to shoot, still. By Pastrana, pass to jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Gutierrez, the flash, 2 points.
Ayan na. Nasabi
Page
sa inyo.
3-4.
Hindi pa rin kayo nagbabago. Gusto nyo nag-ahabol kayo.
101-99 in favor of S-Team. Pass to Brazil. To jersey number 1, Mendoza pumukol sa tres. Mendoza, 3 points. Gutierrez on the ball, ibinigay kay Chavez, 15 to shoot. Nakakuha ni Arguna. Pass to Chavez. Last 2 minutes. Enters a whistle, foul, jersey number 1. Penalty.
Gutom na rin kaya.
Jersey number 1, Mendoza. Warning for foul out.
Shoot. Oy.
First throw no good. Last throw.
Kala ko cutie. Talaga. Anong alat niya? Alam mo.
Jersey number 8, Ramos on the ball. Pass to Brazil. 15 to shoot. Libre si Cortiguera. Cortiguera, 3 points. 105-101 in favor of Dayo. Jersey number 3, Gutierrez. Pass to Chavez.
Shoot.
Chavez, babawi, no good. Battle of the rebound, nakakuha ni Gutierrez. Roll-off jumper, 2 points.
Sabi ko eh.
Pass break na naman, papunta kay Cortiguera. Sa buhay alamang, rebound, Remo. Gutierrez, ibinigay kay Chavez. Chavez, spin move, no good. Rebound, Katangay. Pass to Brazil. 15 to shoot. Shot clock 10. Back to Brazil. No good.
Oy!
1 minute. And there's a whistle, foul, jersey number 0. Penalty.
Uy, dadalwan lang
Jersey number
ako.
0, Brazil. Warning for foul out. 2 shots para kay Arguna.
Oo. Sa bungahan, yan din ang gamit nila. Shot, oh! Hey!
First throw no good. Last throw.
Sayang. Malabo mata eh. Lugi. Titigan mo muna!
Last throw wala pa rin.
Ala.
50 seconds. Ramos on the ball. Ibinigay kay Cortigera. Cortigera umatake. Reverse shot. Basket is gone. Para kay Cortigera and foul. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6, Pastrana. That is your third personal foul. Bonus throw para kay Cortigera. Bonus throw sa fly. Timeout. S-team. Both teams take isang timeout. Official score 107-103 in favor of Dayo. Back to the ball game, white ball, shot clock 14. Pass to Chavez, quick three, no good. White ball, 14 to shoot. Pass to jersey number 3, Gutierrez naman ang susubok. Gutierrez, 3 points. Hindi pala, nakakuha ni Ramos, 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Pass to Ramos sa tres, no good. Rebound nakakuha ni Arguna, shot lang is off, 20 seconds. Dawi, stop and pump, no good. Nakakuha ni Chavez, wala pa rin, 15 seconds. And there's a whistle, foul, jersey number 34, Restar, that is your third personal foul, second team foul.
Bola daw, bola. Time out daw, time out.
Time out. Red Bull.
Second team ball pa lang. Tatlo pa.
Back to the ball game. Red Bull. Penalty ang tayo, ang S-team, second team foul. Pass to Cortigera, block. Same ball, 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Five seconds. And there's a whistle foul, jersey number 34. That is your warning for foul out, Restar.
Meron pa. Sa isa pa.
Isa pa nga.
Di ba under 2 minutes mo?
Ito. Sabay ka siya lang.
May isa pa, may isa pa.
Sabay ka siya lang.
Nakaano sila, hindi nila nagamit.
Dito nga pala nag-time out.
Meron pa.
Meron pa nga.
Ala, kayo nga po.
Sa'yo wala na.
2 shots para kay Mendoza.
Under 2 minutes din nila nagamit yung isa.
Nagamit nila nung 4 minutes pa.
Sabi ko nga natin eh.
Hindi, sila din.
Magkasunod kayo ito ngayon mo. Isang possession.
First throw is good. Last throw.
Surbol mo, be!
Gutom na ako.
Overdue!
Overdue.
Nice one!
109-106 in favor of Tayo. Both teams wala ng timeout.
Nakakaba naman.
Exhibition, walang OT. Walang OT. Walang OT.
Hindi ko alam.
Walang OT exhibition. Wala ka sinasabi ko.
Magkaroon nung wala, may part 2 yan, tanong mo. Walang papayag dyan. Yung
Maganda
matatalo,
ano na
hindi
lang,
papayag.
tabla. Para maganda.
Hindi papayag ang saan punta?
Last 5.3 seconds. 5.3. Three seconds.
Oh, Nero Cutie, oh. Sayang!
End of the ball game. A winner. Team Tayo. Shake hands, both teams, and beso beso.
Kulay Champorado. Player,
World War si Brazil. Wala bang iba? Yung iba naman. Camping na lang sila eh. Yung sunod.
20 si Kevin. Ortigera.
Yung sunod.
Yun ang sasabihin ko.
So, bayad ka ngayon.
Brazil na. Best player of the game. Best player of the game.
Dati, pipicture
Brazil.
tayo.
Wait, 23 points.
Kain na. Kain na tayo.
Magaling kung nakakain.
Sa inyo.
Oh.
Kung pumasok yung tabla, unang oras.
Wala. Ay. Ito. Wala. Ang joggings na na.
Naka-charge na pala, kaya di pala nalulunod.
Hindi pa pala ako nakastop ng